guys, Peter Cunha, New Jersey real estate giant. Want to do some fun stuff today on a Friday. It looks gorgeous out here in beautiful Lincroft, New Jersey. I know a lot of people have done major renovations. We're kind of getting through the pandemic. We're trying to figure out this whole inflation thing, etc. But one thing that a lot of people have done over the last 2 years is renovations on their homes. So my question to you is, are you a Home Depot or a Lowe's person? Because during the pandemic, I wound up opening both cards. But I'm going to be, frank, I use Lowe's more than Home Depot. I don't know why, but it's geographically, it's closer to me. So I just want to see what you guys think, what you guys did. Shoot some pictures, and appreciate you guys watching. I'll talk to you guys later. Home Depot or Lowe's? Talk to you later. Bye.